So let's tackle 37 first. Um, we read that 106 is 53% of what number? So let's try using one of those tape diagrams. And basically, we know that 53% represents 106. And so really what we're looking for is, what is it that represents 100%? What's that number that represents 100%? Let's look at this other way that we solve these tape diagram type problems is basically we're given the numbers we need to set up a proportion. In other words, 106 over 53 will equal n over 100. There's your proportion. If we just multiply 106 times 100 and divide that by 53, we're going to end up with 200. Oops, we're going to end up with 200. So let's move on and let's look at problem number 38. And again, we'll use a tape diagram for this as well. We know that the total amount that we're looking at is 2,300. The 100% is 2,300. What we're interested in is finding that 30%. Well, we could take this tape diagram and we can just break it into 10 parts. That would be an easy division problem. Just go through and just kind of subdivide it into 10 equal parts. In other words, if 2,300 is everything, and if we divide 2,300 by 10, then each of these little pieces in here, parts, would each be 230. That first piece would be 230, the second piece would be 230, and that third piece would be 230. And if we add those three together, that represents 30%, right? If we add all of that together, we're going to get 690. Looking at number 39, if we're just taking a percent of something, we want to find 45% of 350, just multiply the two numbers together. 350, we're going to multiply that by 45%. Well, 45% written as a decimal is 0.45. That means that 45%, or if the discount is 45%, that means that we're getting $157.50 off on this item. That's the discount. And then to find the sales price, we're going to have to take that 157 and subtract it from 350, which leaves us with $192.50. So that's the sale price. The 157.50, that's the amount of discount. The 192.50, that's the sale price.